All right, here you go to the fun sweaty bit, finishing out the week. Last little bit, we've got some intervals again, but they are longer like they were last Friday. You've got 3 rounds that are 4 minutes each. So I do 4 minutes of work. We're gonna do this 3 times, and you're gonna get 2 minutes of rest in between the rounds. So set the clock, go for 4 minutes, rest for 2, go for 4, rest again for 2, and then finish out with your third 4-minute round. The movements in each round are some high pulls, some push presses, and then a prone mountain climber, which is a fast version of that knees to elbows you did in the warm-up. So I've got my tote bag here. I'm gonna do 6 sumo deadlift high pulls on this one arm. So feet nice and wide, the bag or the weight is in between my feet. As I extend the knees and hips, I follow up with the elbow, come back to the hips, and back to the floor. 6 on one side, and then we'll move into the second bit. So again, back is nice and flat, knees and hips extend. I follow through with the arm, high pull, and then back down to the hips. After that 6th repetition, on the same side now, I'm gonna get the weight up to my shoulder, and I'm gonna do 6 push presses. So a little bit of dip, and then drive to get the weight overhead. I've got it resting on the shoulder, a couple cans, so it's a little clunky here. Dip, drive to get overhead. If your weight is really light for you, then you don't have to add on the dip drive. You can maybe do it as a strict press. But if it's heavier, I'm gonna dip, drive to get a little bit of assist from the legs before coming back to the shoulder. So again, 6 high pulls, right into 6 push presses, and then switch arms on the opposite side, 6 high pulls, 6 push presses. And then finally we're coming to the floor for, 12 mountain climbers, and left, right equals 1. So it's gonna be left, right 1, left, right 2, left, right 3, just 12 of those. So from that plank position, I'm gonna go knee towards the elbow. That's gonna be 1 rep. When I go left, right, equaling a rep. So I'm in that prone kind of runner position or climber position, left, right 1, left, right 2. Again, maintaining stability here for my plank, left, right, alternating between left and right knee, equaling 1 repetition. And again, you go for 4 minutes, 6 high pulls, 6 push presses, 6 high pulls, 6 push presses, 12 on the mountain climber. Do as many rounds of that as you can in 4 minutes, rest for 2, come back and do it again twice more after the rest. Have fun with this one today. Hope you guys have something nice planned for your weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.